Welcome to another review from Scent Explorer. I am Mohammad Hassan and today I have two new Attars from Swiss Arabian. One is Magnus and the second one is Pacific Isles. So I'm going to start with this. So I'm going to show you both Attars. Let's show you both of them together. So you can see these are the both Attars. One is green and one is transparent. So I will start with this green one, Pacific Isles. So this is the Pacific Isles. Okay, so right off the bat, it starts with a very soapy scent. It is like you are smelling a bath soap up close. Very soapy, kind of fresh soapy, like you just came out of the bath by using some green soap. Yes, soapy, sweet, kind of rounded, a bit green to it, added to it. So it is soapy, green with some tints of light green. I would say like we have foresty kind of vibe. So it is just like you are on a beach where the forest is very close. Very nice smell, but I mostly don't like soapy touches to my perfumes or my others. But if you like soapy kind of feel and foresty kind of vibe for this, that is why the color is green, foresty and soapy. This is Pacific Isles from Swiss Arabian. So I would describe it in two words: soapy and green, fresh green soapy. This is Pacific Isles. So the second one is Magnus. The name is Magnus, but it is very close to Aventus, Creed Aventus, the copy of Creed Aventus. If I say this is one of the others, that is pineapple, fruity, very nicely blended. I actually have tested many others that are the copy of Creed Aventus. This is a good one. If I give it ranking from 10, from 1 to 10, I think it falls in 4 or 5 or maybe 6. This is a nice try to mimic the smell of Creed Aventus. Yes, pineapple is there, fruity, very fruity, pineapple, kind of musky. Yes, white musk and pineapple, that are the two words I would describe this Magnus from Swiss Arabian. So they all come in these kind of pouches, these pouches. So you can see, let me show you these pouches. So they normally come in these kind of pouches. So not very fancy, but nice presentation. So that is my review about Magnus and the Pacific Isles Attars. These are the Attars from Swiss Arabian. I hope you have enjoyed this video and you liked my description, simple description of these scents or other oils. If you want to try, do try their sample set where you can get all these. And I hope that if you want to try and start with some affordable oils, these are some of them. So I will meet you in another video. Till then, take care, bye bye. Make sure you like, subscribe and share this video with your friends.